Hey guys, Aditi here from Saleshandy, and today I'm going to walk you through how you can connect multiple apps with Saleshandy using Zapier integration to enhance your workflow efficiency and for effective lead management. So let's get right into it. Whether you want to connect CRM, Google Sheets, Calendar, or any other project management tool, all of that is now possible with this integration. You can now connect up to 6,000 plus tools using this integration and create a workflow that enhance your cold email success. We all know that creating cold email campaigns just does not include creating an email and sending it. A lot goes before into it, and getting accurate prospect data across various platforms that you use is a must. And we spend a lot of our time in that rather than spending in with connecting with our prospects. So to automate all of your processes, we are here with this integration. So I'm just going to walk you through how it's going to help you and how you can do it. So currently, if you want to connect or update any prospect in your sales handy sequence, you have to create a list like this, and you have to manually update every time you have to add a new lead to this. You have to go into the sheet and manually add it here, and then you have to import the data or add it here manually. So all of this process is really manual. So to automate it, we are here with the Zapier integration, with which you can connect certain tools that can help you automate it. So if I go to Sales Handy Zapier page, you can see that these are the number of tools that I can connect. And there are some templates also that you can utilize. So let's connect Google Sheets here. So I'm going to go and choose the Google Sheets here, and I'm going to connect the app with Sales Handy. So let's connect it with Sales Handy. So now I'm inside a Zap, and in this Zap, the trigger event is Google Sheets and an action event is Sales Handy. So let's go here, and you can see Google Sheets is appearing here, and let's choose a trigger event. So trigger event is new or updated spreadsheet row, which is triggered when a new row is added or modified in the spreadsheet. And let's continue. And you can see my account is already connected. Now continue. Once your account is connected, the Zap is gonna try to detect the sheets in your Google Sheet, and I'm going to see if it is. Yeah. So prospect list is here. So if you want to create any Zap or connect Google Sheet with Sales ID, there are two things that you must have. First is a prospect list like this, and you should have these columns: first name, last name, email, step ID. Step ID is must because it will help you map the data into the sequence in which you want it to be mapped. And apart from this, you should have a sequence created in Sales Handy. And I've already created a sequence in Sales Handy, and you can take the step id from here and you can paste it in the sheet so that the data get accurately mapped. So then I'll go back to my Zap and I'll just populate some more data here. So I'll choose the sheet and I'm going to continue, and now I'm going to test the trigger. So you can see some data is showing over there, Xavier Griffin, and if I go to the sheet here, I can see the data is here, so it is accurately mapping the data. I'm going to continue it. And now I'm going to choose the corresponding action event in Sales Handy. And these are the events that you can choose from in Sales Handy. And I'm going to choose create prospect and add prospect to sequence. Once it is done, I'm going to continue. Now I have to connect my Sales Handy account with Zapier. And for this, I have to get an API key from Sales Handy. So it is going to ask for API key. So now I'm going to go in Sales Handy and I'm going to go to settings, API key, create API key, and just label it anything that you want. Create, and I'm gonna copy it. Now I'm gonna paste it in here, and I'm just gonna continue. So now it is done. I'm gonna go back to Zap, and you can see that my account will get connected. Yeah, so my account is connected. Continue. Now, just for the testing purpose, it is a one-time thing. You have to map certain data here, and this is a one-time thing. So first name and last name, email ID. You have to map email ID also. And the most important part is step ID. Step ID you should not miss because then your data won't get mapped in the sequence that you want it to be mapped in. Wait, just a second. Yeah, step ID. So now I've chosen all the required fields. I'm going to continue. I will test the step. You can see the data is accurately getting mapped, and I'm going to publish it. Once you publish any Zap, whenever you're going to add any row here with any prospect, it will automatically get updated within 5 minutes in the corresponding sequence. So it just generally takes 5 minutes, and then the data will automatically get mapped. So if I go here, you can see some previous data that I have already here. So it will just get mapped here. Xavier Griffin is showing here. So that is how you can connect multiple tools with Sales Handy, not only Google Sheet, but CRM and other tools also, and you can enhance your cold email outreach success. So connect your favorite tools and let us know how that work out for you. Thanks for watching and see you later.